How to change age in Clash of Clans. Enter the wrong age in Clash of Clans. Here's how to fix it the right way. Your age determines account features. Under 16 accounts have restrictions, while 16 plus accounts unlock full access. You cannot change your age directly in the game. The only way is through Supercell support. Open Clash of Clans and then from here click on the gear icon at the bottom right and then select help and support from here and then scroll down and tap on the contact us button which you'll find on the help and support page. Now explain the situation clearly, mention the wrong age entered. Supercell may ask for proof of identity. If you're under 16, your account will automatically update once you reach the age threshold. Avoid hacks or mods claiming to change age, they can get your account banned. So always use official support channels. Changing age in Clash of Clans isn't simple, but contacting the Supercell support is the only safe way. If you've entered the wrong age, don't worry. Follow the steps and Supercell will guide you. And that is how you can basically change age in Clash of Clans.